study civil engineering in Palestine Polytechnic University. I want to tell you about civil engineering.
My name is Muntasar Adil Muhammad Fazaz. I am studying civil engineering at Palestine Polytechnic University. I want to tell you about my specialty.
My name is Nadib Sharawni. I am studying civil engineering at Palestine Polytechnic University. I want to tell you about my specialty. Civil engineering design, build and maintain the foundation for our modern society, for roads and bridges, drinking water and energy systems, ports and airports, and infrastructure for a cleaner environment, to name just a few. Civil engineering touches us throughout our day. Think of a civil engineer when you turn on your tap, take a shower, or drink clean water, take mass transit, or take a flight for a vacation. Toss your empty coffee cup in the recycling bin.
Civil engineers often specialize in one of a number of technological areas.
A few examples. Transportation. Transportation engineering is application of technology, scientific principles, and integrated strategy, focused on smart and sustainable developments to planning, functional design, operations and management facilities for any modes of transportation for movement of people and goods. Coastal engineering. The practice of civil engineering and other disciplines in the sustainable development, professional and restorations of coastal, ocean, ports, waterways, riverland, and wetland resources. In structural. Construction engineering involves planning and execution, transportation of material, site development based on hydraulic, environment, structural, and geotechnical engineer. Environmental and water resources engineering. Advanced water resources and environmental solutions to achieve the subsistence future through integrations of technical experts and public policy in the planning, design, construction, and operations of environmentally sound and sustainable infrastructure impacting air, land, and water resources. Architectural. Architectural engineering is application of engineering principles and technology to building design and construction. Architectural engineering work together with architects and civil engineer, but are unique both their skills and roles as part of the building design team and more other specialties.
From the earliest annal of history to modern times, there are numerous creations that showcase our ability to realize an incredible constructive vision. While every engineer or anyone who fabricates structures may have their own on what engineering project is most impressive, it can be assumed that these 10 would be placed at the top.
Great Pyramid of Giza. This incredible creation consisted of 2.33 million stone blocks, which required the constant labor of 30,000 laborers to build. Great Wall of China. What many people don't know about this enormous 5,500 long wall is that the mortar used in its construction is made of rice flour. Aqueduct of Segovia. These amazing aqueducts are made without the use of mortar and are so well preserved that it is still in use today. Brooklyn Bridge was the first suspension bridge to use steel in its cables. This flowchart shows you some information about it. Panama Canal. This man-made channel was designed to connect the Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans to provide trade ships with passage between North and South America. Hoover Dam. Named one of the 7 wonders of the world, the dam generates 4 billion kilowatt hours of electricity for use. Golden Gate Bridge. This historic wonder connects San Francisco to the rest of the bay and is made up of 600,000 rivets. English Channel Tunnel. A 31-mile long tunnel. The English Channel Tunnel correctly consists of longest portion of any tunnel housed under the sea. Burj Khalifa. Interestingly enough, one of the biggest setbacks to face the construction of the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, was 160 km/h wind that required special testing to determine the safety of the construction material. More information about this building in this flowchart. Qingdao Haiwan Bridge. It is currently the longest bridge in the world and was specially designed to withstand earthquakes and typhoons.
Civil engineering is an exciting profession because at the end of the day you can see the result of your work. Whether these the completed bridge, subway stations, hydroelectric dams and the high-freed building.